नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे भाइयों बहनों। आज मुझे पता चला कि आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मातृभाषा दिवस है। तो इसके लिए मैंने एक लोक साहित्य चाकमा लोगों का लोक साहित्य से एक जनकथा लेके आया हूँ। ये जनकथा एक बाघ और एक शंभू के बारे में है। तो दोनों का बीच में एक कंपटीशन होता है। तो वो कंपटीशन कैसे होता है, तो वही कहानी इस कहानी में लिखा गया है। तो ये अपना चाकमा लोगों का एक जनकथा है, या अपना चाकमा लोगों का स्क्रिप्चर है। एंड तो सब जैसे कि सब लोग इस कहानी में क्या लिखा गया है जैसे सब लोग समझ सके, इसके लिए मैं चाकमा से पढ़ूंगा और उसके बाद मैं इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन करूंगा, इंग्लिश अनुवाद करूंगा। My dear friends, today I learned that today is International Mother Tongue Day, which is 21st of February, International Mother Tongue Day. So my mother tongue is Chakma, so I brought a story from our Chakma Folklore. It's a story between a tiger and a snail. They have a competition, a race. So this is all about how they started their race, who win the race, and how the snail win the race from the tiger. So this is how the story goes. So I'm going to read this story in Chakma first, and then I will try my best to translate each sentence comprehensively in English, each sentence into English, so people can understand, and I will try my best to translate them. Samukiloi bagger jidi between competition between the tiger and snail. Ikko dangor bag sigir togade oran one ekkan sigon sorat pani hebatte gelo. Once upon a time, a big tiger looking for hunting, being exhausted, arrived at the bank of a river. Mono gorar sillosora. The river was beneath of a mountain. Pon tarpani. The water was so clean and drinkable. Rini sele tolesong degazai. When you look at the water, you can even see the bottom of the river. Mach hangara bang potputiguri degazai. You can see fish, crabs, tadpoles, and everything inside the water clearly. Bagge soraparot at togdine mu nigure panihar. And the tiger was drinking water from the river. Pani hade sora tolat pani murut ikko pani murut silo hanat ikko leja samuk digilo. While drinking water, the tiger saw a snail under the river. So the tiger was staring at the snail. Degede samukko omohodo lare guri silohanat adibera. And he noticed that the snail was crawling slowly on a rock in the river. Bagge hanokon mondi samukore rini sade begot guri ajibudilo. While looking for a while, the tiger looked for a while the snail, and he suddenly bursted out of laughing. Pani murutun samukku puzorgurilo hitteazor. And then the snail asked the tiger, "Why are you laughing?" Bagge azi jobab dilo, "Thore lazangotte." And then tiger replied, "I'm just so embarrassed of you." Samukku ullu hiri puzurgollo more hitte lazotte. So the snail asked back to the tiger, "Why are you embarrassed of me. বাগ্যে হলো নজান্না লাজদং হিতেই তুই দেগো দেউ sigon hengeda adolni. And the tiger replied, why can't I be embarrassed of you? Because you are so tiny, you are so small, you are so tiny, and you are very ugly. Adi berachio omhodo lare guri, and you walk so slow. Thor adi jana dei mor gai azeze. When I see how the way you walk, it's make me laughing. It's make me laugh. Samukye hodane sunine bari bezar hello. After listening to the tiger, the snail becomes very upset. তে হলো হি হচ্ছি সিগুন হেঙেদা আর দোল নেই গোজেনে মরে সেজান গরিব বানিয়ে সিয়েন্দ মর দুজ নয়. So the snail, being upset, he told to the tiger, what are you talking about? I'm tiny, I'm ugly, I have nothing to do. This is how I'm created. There is nothing wrong for that. Ahi hotte lare guri mui adonge. And also, what are you talking about? I walk very slowly. Hamakkai jitte sele ada nadi mo somare tui parede noi. If you have a race with me, you can never defeat me, the snail told to the tiger. Sebenahi jitte. Do you want to try? Bagge hoidie oine tui dumure parocchi. So the tiger, being surprised, asked the snail, really? Can you really run like me? Tui do bari hirimiche hoda hotte sedoi. Samukke hoidie hirimiche hoda noi. And the tiger, being surprised, he told to the snail, oh, you are just like boasting, you are just saying nonsense thing. And then snail said, no, it is not nonsense, I am very serious. Molloi dumuri sele tui hamakkai paridunai. If you have a race with me, you can never defeat me. Sedam tele sei sale dumuri. If you have a gut, let's have a race. Honna zide honna udizai. Who can win and who can get defeated? Samukya bagger hamhamelo. Samuker hodane sunine bagge hedek azidilo. And then like the snail convinced the tiger. The snail irritated the tiger to have a race, and the tiger started to laugh. Aite gulu hurilo. And the tiger was like laughing and rolling on the ground. Zeredi the ituk azir dom durine holo hi hocche hengda samukko tholloi jitte getchet guri de ibi getchen ibi asule getchet guri obode ibi getchet daade ibi getchet guri de dizone hanokon dumuri guri nei jeredi hanokon uzdi guri nei jeredi dizonor jitte gorna thikolo. And the tiger was laughing and rolling on the ground and saying, what are you talking about, snail? Do you really want to have a race, have a competition with me? Oh, come on, you are tiny, you cannot walk like me. And then after having a little bit debate and have a discussion, so both of them agreed to have a race. Hoda olo bagge 발에 발에 두무르고 아사 먹고 두무르고 파니에 파니에. So they agreed each other that the snail will run along the river while the tiger will run beside the river. দুমুরি যেই বাঘে প্রথমে হুয়ে বগই সোমারে সোমারে সামুক্য হুয়েব থে বুঝি ফারে যেব হন্না উজেই আগে. So that they have like agreed with some rules and regulations that they will start from same point, and then the tiger will run beside the river while the snail will start under the river, like in the river. জিতে জিতে olo একদিন জেরে, and they have agreed that the competition, the race will be started after one day, as a daily, that means tomorrow. Benya poite, and it is early in the morning. Samukko rede higurulo the dagilo nabalang machore the thare baggeloi thar jiditer hodani bangi holo. And here, on the other hand, the snail, what he did, like he went back to the river, he went back to the bottom of the river, and he called his best friend a fish, and then he explained everything to the fish about the competition between him and the tiger. Tetare 오zel로 자 이끼네 하나코노 비들이 소라 톰송 백 사무코노레 자네디 아요이제 바게 소라 파로르 제자 같은 후여보고이 다 발루dur 오볼라툰 호노 있고 사무게 젠 소마레 후ye ude. And then the snail advised the fish to call all the snails in the river and to tell them to when they started the race, so while they will have the race, they have to make a address. I'm here, and the snail will be when tiger say I'm here, and the snail also will be I'm here, and that's how they know like they are having a race. And then like the tiger is where, and then snail is where, so that's how they will measure their race. And the snail taught to the fish that call out all the snail, and then whenever the tiger call out the snail, there should be a snail in that place, like all along the river. All the snail should be staying in under the river. So whenever the tiger call out, make a sound, the snail who is there should make a sound and respond back to the tiger, so the tiger knows, okay, here is the snail. 제 있기네 자네 되고 허다니 순이 못던 허다니 수무다 사발랑에 겔로 두무리 히치 디리미치 타레 노 하치구리 하노건 비디레테 소라넛 도저로툰 부리 도리 툼송 사무코르 호단 소라르 온요 백 사무코르 자니 디 셀로고이. So after that, the fish announced the competition between the snail and the tiger to all the other snail, and what they have to do tomorrow morning. So all the snail have to line up along the river, and whenever the tiger call out, so every snail who is there nearby this tiger, so the snail have to respond back to the tiger. So that's how they have discussion. It's kind of a trick. 호다모짐 다 힐레 사모케 아바게르 비디리 아롬보 올로 지디지티. As per agreement, the race started tomorrow early in the morning between the tiger and the snail. Bagge mone babede iando zidizitti noi ian olode ituk sulasuli. And the tiger was thinking like, okay, this is not a way, this is just kind of having fun and having a entertainment. Ta para metol samok te hingiri dumuribu. And he was thinking, oh, that's a tiny snail. How can he run like me? Just useless. Hodar gongot hoyedeai. Hodar gongot hoyedeai. Siene potome te ituk uch gonoguri ituk siene potome te ituk huch gonoguri muzunge gelo sorar agaredi mukke guri huddur je te pizidi gotona babe huyelogoi hui gurine. So the race started and the tiger was running, and then when he arrived in a place after a few feet away, and he make a sound, and then expecting hey something, he make a sound to call out the snail. Somare sorar agaretun egbak parok guri ikko samuk hoi udulu hui gurine. So when the tiger called out, and then there was a snail, because the snails, they line up all along the river. So there was a snail, and then he responded back to the tiger like hui. The snail make a sound. Sunne bagge ittuk amok olo. Oh, so the tiger was surprised after getting the response from the snail. Hoidide samukko dumure parede. Oidide samukko dumure parede. And now the tiger was started to think, oh, so the snail can run. Hingiri gelo idurut. How can he run so far like this? Te sebeden ebarot ittuk lare ittuk sare paraguri ek dumuri dilo. A ek dumuri di tamine dilo hui. Muzunge sora agaretun baluddur agetun ikko samuk sardil hui guri hui ebarot bagge jode hode amok olo samukko ettoman dumuri farade. So the tiger, when he got response from the snail, and he was so surprised, so he started to run faster than before. And then after going few feet away ahead, and he called out the snail, and then he got response because there was a snail too. So the snail responded back to the tiger. So the tiger was so surprised, and now he started to run seriously. He ran, and then he stopped in a place. And then again, there was another snail, responded back to the tiger. And the tiger was so serious now. Samukko settuman dumuri parade. So the tiger was thinking, wow, how can the snail run so faster like that? How can the snail run faster than me? 포바데 te ekkan zagat tamine pizedi mubabe hui. 하리딜로고이 후이 에바로도 테 에바로도 테 비기도 아가레툰 있고 사목 조밥딜로 후이 수니네 바게 아모고 우구레 소두 얼어 제칫구리 이비 제칫 너 이비 게치고 보데 게칫구리 데 사목고 둥으레 바르데 타르 바게르 못 আর বাগের মত হন হদানেই হানকন dendaগুরি আত থকদিতেই জেরাদি জিদিজিতিয়ে এবা দি দেই গেলগই ওগুর থারুমো মুক্কে ওদি জানার লাজে balok dinduri udijanar laje balok dinduri the soranot te ar pani ha noilo. So when the tiger seriously started to run faster and faster, and every time he called out for the snail, so the tiger got back response from the snail, and then finally the tiger was so tired of running, and then he gave up. So he gave up that he was so embarrassed, like being defeated by a snail in a race. So he gave up the race and then went back and then he disappeared in the jungle after being defeated in the race from a snail. The tiger was so embarrassed, and the tiger never returned back to the river to drink water, because he lost his dignity, he lost his pride, and then he never returned back to the river. So this is the end of the story, and there are many stories too, like how the sky is so high above, why the sky is so high above, and I guess sometime later I can read them too. So the tiger, at the end of the story, the tiger lost to the snail in the race, and the snail, he was so wise, and then wise always win. This is the moral of the story. Thank you for your time. Thank you to listening to this story.